Good morning students, how are you all? In this video we will tell you something about WordPad. Okay, I have already typed something, you can watch it. Okay, I'm also increasing the size. After that you can easily understand, you can easily watch it. First of all we have to select, and after that from here we will increase the size. Okay, I think it's sufficient for you. Okay, after that you have to click on the blank area. Okay, selection will be removed. Now first we have done up to insert object. After that in editing group we will use first select all to select all the things on the screen. Okay, so I'm just clicking on select all. You can easily watch all of the written work is selected now. Okay, and if you want to deselect it, then you have to click outside of this. Okay, now what is find? First of all, place your mouse cursor at the starting. Okay, now you have to click on find to find anything, and the thing what do you want to find? It should be in your document. Okay, let us assume that anything is not at your home and you want to find it. What will happen? Nothing. You can't find it because it's not available in your home. Okay, so in this document the thing you want to find should be in the document. I'm just searching for is, because is available. Okay, in this I am typing is find watch. Okay, after that you have to click on find next. Now you can watch it has find out the is, first is. Now I am just clicking on find next. It has gone to the next is, the cursor has gone to the next is, and if I will click it again, the cursor will go on the next, and after that if you will again click on find next, what will happen? Yes, his, HIS, he is selecting only is. Okay, and after that it will show WordPad has finished searching the document. Click on OK. Look one thing, because the computer has selected his, the last two letters are is. If you will click on this here on match whole word only, I'm just clicking on this option. After that if I will click on find next, what will happen? You can watch, it is on first is, now it is on second, and now it is, oh, my cursor was in here. First of all I have to place my cursor at the starting. After that you can watch it. Okay, first is, second is, third is, and after that if you will click on find next, what will happen? It will not show. Okay, and if you will click on match case, then it will show all the letters which are along with any other letter, but the spell is is. Okay, cancel. Now replace. If you want to change anything, then you have to click on replace. Is, I am thinking that I have written is by mistake and I have to change all the is. Okay, so I'm, instead of is, what I have to write? I have to write my school name instead of is, GRIS in capital. Okay, now we will click on replace all. What will happen? All is will be replaced by GRIS, replace all. Okay, after that click on OK and cancel. GRIS, he is a good student. He is going to Delhi. He is going there along with his father. Okay, now look one thing here, These are the options: cut, copy and paste. These three options are available there, but these three options work in two different directions. First is cut and paste is one combination, that is cut and paste. The next combination is copy and paste. Okay, first of all we are using cut and paste. He is a good student. Select it, then click on cut. Okay, after that place your cursor anywhere. I am just placing my cursor at the last. They are returning home. After that I am placing my cursor, and after that I have to click on paste. You can watch, he is a good student. The letter which was cut by us in the starting is now at last, that is cut paste, and the letter and the sentence he is a good student is not on the first row. Okay, it was the function of cut and paste, means first letter will cut from there and you can easily paste it at anywhere, any location. Okay, now copy and paste. He is going to Delhi. First of all you have to select it. Select, after that we will click on copy. Any changement is there? No, I think nothing is there, na? He is going to Delhi. After copy, the document is same. So we are just placing our cursor at the last of the document. Okay, after that we will click on paste. Look here, you can watch, he is going to Delhi is also on the first row, and at the last row he is going to Delhi. Both are same, na? We didn't write here, but the sentences come because of copy and paste function. So this is the copy and paste function. Copy means your document will remain on the same location and it will generate a copy of itself. Okay, this was the copy and paste option. Understood? So try these things on your computer, laptop. Okay.